Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn.
Where? In electrical. Did you see anyone? No. Well, I was with Jungkook the whole time at O2, so he is clear. Same with Tae. I was just doing a task in navigation. I was in cams and didn't see anything suspicious. Jin is sus. What? You did not just say that. Ha 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 ha. LMAO, I am wheezing. What is so funny? I just think he is being a little too quiet and is trying to hide something. I think we know who the imposter is already, guys. I know, right? Jin is making it way too obvious. Jimin, you're such a bad liar. Goodbye, Chim. Bye, Jimin. This is too easy. What?
Two 2,000 years later.
Miss Keisha. Miss Keisha. Miss Keisha. Oh my fucking god, she fucking dead.
Jungkook's body was outside navigation. Who them in, but I guess not. It's definitely not me. Yeah, Hobie would never kill his members. Or would he? No. I love you guys, I wouldn't kill even if I was imposter. I love you too, Hyung. He is too precious. Well, I guess Hobie is clear. Honestly, Namjoon is kinda sus. Yeah, I agree. I say we vote him out. Wait, what are you talking about? You have no proof that it's me. It's you, period.
But you did this for what?